Okay, let's do it. Every angle. They gave us 59. That means angle 3 is vertical, 59 degrees. Let's come down here and find the ones that are 59. Let's do alternate interior this time. Alternate interior to 3 is 6. That means they are the same. And then the vertical one is 7. I will switch colors for the rest. And I have to subtract from 180. 1, 2, 121 is all of the other ones. Oops. Oh, wait, did I do that wrong? Oh, it just looks wrong, but it's right. This angle is clearly smaller, but it's not to scale. So what did they ask for? Angle 1, 121 degrees. Angle 2 is not listed, so that is the given one. 59 degrees. Angle 5, 121 degrees. And angle 7, 59 degrees. Next one, I know yours says number 5 again. All right, they gave us 73. The vertical is 73. Alternate interior, 73. Vertical, 73. Change colors. Subtract from 180. 107 is the rest of the angles. They asked for angle 1, it's 107 degrees. Angle 3 is 73 degrees. Angle 6 is 73 degrees. Angle 7 is 73 degrees. One more in this set. And the last one, just to trick you, let's see if you remember how to name angle 4. You're going to use 3 points. This is the middle, or letter 2. And then angle 4 is, let's pick a different color. If I highlight it, it's here. So that would be 1 and that would be 3. So you can call this angle rat or angle tar. The A is in the middle. All right.